shark family celebrating the Christmas.
Oh, so sweet.
Hi, little artists. How are you today? Merry Christmas! Today we are going to draw shark family together. Yes. Are you ready? Let's go. Here on the right side, let's draw baby shark. What do you think?
Mommy and Dad swimming together, so glad. Daddy Shark,
We are going to start with baby shark's body.
shining bright like a twinkling star, celebrating near and far. Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around. Laughing kids.
Look at his pointy tail. Hello, friends. Oh, hello, baby shark. We are happy to have you here. Hey, don't forget to draw my eyes. Okay, baby shark. Here's your eye. Is that okay? Yes, it's super good.
In red so bright, joining in.
Kids, look at that. Baby shark has got Santa's hat. Yay! I like my hat.
Time full of joy and cheer sublime.
Are you ready for the next member of the shark family? Yes, you are. Let's draw beautiful mommy shark. Here, I'm drawing mommy shark's nose.
With the jolly grin, decorating the Christmas din, shining bright like a twinkling
And now her body.
star. Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around. Laughing kids
She's got pointy tail too, just like baby shark.
under.
Yes, she does.
It's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad swimming together, so glad.
Now let's draw her eyes and beautiful eyelashes.
Baby shark in a festive dress, swimming round full of happiness.
Wow, she's got a beautiful smile.
Under the sea,
Kids, Mommy Shark has got a surprise for you. She's all dressed up with reindeer antlers and sparkling Christmas lights. That is super good, isn't it? Let's draw it.
ocean sleep under the sea.
Hello, Mommy. Happy to see you.
Cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad swimming together, so glad. Daddy shark with the jolly grin, decorating the Christmas din, shining bright.
Well done, kiddos. Let's draw those Christmas lights. We need teeny tiny circles.
Fish swimming round, happy sounds
Yes, my mom looks amazing.
under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime.
Don't forget to draw Mommy Shark's back fin.
Swimming together, so glad.
Wow, kids, look here. Mommy Shark is pulling a sleigh filled with colorful balls of wool. Yes, wool. Let's draw it.
Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer.
Do you think she's delivering them for some festive knitting fun?
Swimming together.
Or maybe she's making scarves for all her ocean friends. What do you think she'll make, kids? Tell me. Keep going. You are doing amazing. For the walls, we need lots of circles. I mean, a lot. Can you draw that for me? Of course you can. You are so talented. I know it. Kids, our walls needs these curvy lines inside. So don't forget that. What do you think they'll ask Santa for this year? Maybe some ocean toys or shiny decorations. Let me your ideas in the comments. Oh, are we forgetting someone? Yes, that's right. Daddy Shark. Of course, Daddy Shark. Let's draw his body.
Baby shark in a festive dress, swimming around full of happiness.
Kids, you are making an amazing progress. Keep going.
You want a treat? Mommy shark in red, so bright, joining in the Christmas light, singing songs so warm and deep as they swim through the ocean sleep.
Let's draw Daddy Shark's eyes, nose, and a big, beautiful smile.
Joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad.
Oh, look, I think Daddy Shark is a little bit cold. Let's draw him a warm scarf. What do you think?
Shining bright like a twinkling star.
Kids, let's draw a little snowman on Daddy Shark's head. I think Baby Shark made that snowman. We need 2 circles, and that's all.
Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer.
Don't forget to draw his eyes too. All done.
Together, so glad.
What do you like to add to this drawing? You can add a gingerbread man or even more Christmas lights.
Dress, swimming around full of happiness, singing carols, oh so sweet. Under the sea,
Here we go.
a treat. Mommy shark in red, so bright, joining in the Christmas light, singing songs so warm and deep as they swim through the ocean sleep. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad,
Now it's time to color. It's my favorite part. Let's go. Can you see the baby shark? Yes, show it to me. Let's color him yellow. Ellie loves the way you color. You are an amazing artist.
full of glee. Under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime.
Let's color Baby Shark's hat, which is red. Aha! I look cool today. Yes, you are cool today, baby shark. You look amazing on that hat.
Baby shark in a festive
Now, let's move on to mommy shark.
round full of happiness.
She is super cute. Let's color her pink.
Under the sea, what a treat. Mommy shark in red so bright, joining in the Christmas light, singing songs so
Take your time and color with me.
as they swim through the ocean sleep. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy,
Let's color this part of her nose and mouth red.
Daddy shark with the jolly grin, decorating the Christmas
And inside, let's use dark red.
twinkling star. Celebrate
Look at her reindeer antlers.
colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around.
What do you think we should use?
Under the sea,
What about brown? Do you like the color brown?
full of joy and cheer sublime. Baby shark, mommy and dad, swimming together, so glad.
Look at those little lights. You can use any color you like.
Colorful fish swimming round, happy sounds all around, laughing kids full of glee. Under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time, full of joy.
You ready to color the sleigh?
Baby shark
Let's use our blue color. Yay!
together, so glad.
For this part, you can use your orange color. Now, the fun part. Let's color the wools. Any color you like. Green, red, yellow, anything you like. Christmas underwater. The shark family knows how to celebrate. It's Daddy Shark's turn. Say hello to Daddy Shark. We are going to color you blue. Here we go. Here we go. Kids, even sharks love Christmas. How fun is that?
Baby shark in a festive dress,
Let's color inside of his mouth dark red.
singing carols, oh so sweet. Under the sea, what a treat. Mommy shark in red, so bright.
Can you see the scarf? Yes, the scarf. What color should we use? What do you think? What about green?
Christmas time, full of
just like the color of the Christmas tree.
Mommy and Dad.
And now it's time to color the Christmas lights.
Daddy Shark
Look, right here.
decorating the Christmas tin, shining bright like a twinkling star, celebrating near and far. Colorful fish swimming around, happy sounds all around, laughing kids full of glee under the sea, wild and free. Under the sea, it's Christmas time.
We are almost done. Give me a high five. And finally, some shading and details.
Together, so glad.
You can even draw some snowflakes or little bubbles. Yay! We did it! Merry Christmas again! See you in next video. Bye!
Sweet. Under the sea, what a treat.